Alright guys, what is going on? Welcome back or welcome to the channel if you're new. Today it is finally time to get back to BTOB, and today is going to have a few BTOB reactions in it, videos, right? Separate videos. And maybe even tomorrow too. There's some stuff I want to finally catch up on with BTOB. I've been putting it off for too long, so, you know. One thing I think I'm going to experiment doing for a little bit is 1 week is going to be featuring heavily boy groups, and then the next week is, and then the, week after will be heavily girl groups. I did that last week. I featured prominently girl groups with some boy group stuff thrown in, and that's probably what's going to be going on this week too. Just that way I can really give a lot more focus to groups that I want to check out, groups that I want to get back to and stuff like that. So BTOB is, one of my personal favorites that I've checked out on the channel. Recently, definitely have loved their latest album, right? Be Today. Great. It's one of my top albums of this year so far. But also, Kingdom, right? We wrapped up Kingdom, Legendary War over on Patreon, and I thought the guys did great, especially, working with what they had. I mean, there's times where there is only 3 members. Chong Sub obviously had prior commitments, so there's certain episodes that he couldn't take, a place in. So working on 3 to 4 members, I mean, the guys did great, especially their version of like Backdoor, right, by Stray Kids. Their addition to Mayfly, which was fantastic. So yeah, I'm very excited. We are wrapping up. I think this is all of the music videos for the main group, right? The OT7, OT6 main group stuff that I have to check out yet that I didn't. So we've got 4 MVs here in this. We've got Dear Bride, we have You Can Cry, My Girl, and Beep Beep. So I'm excited. I'm excited because obviously I know BTOB are fantastic. So let's see what we're getting. 5 minutes in this one. That's good. I like it. Oh no. They're already starting with their shenanigans. Okay, Sungjae. Okay, Minhyuk. Sheesh. Oh my god, these two, I swear. He's so devastated. He's so devastated. Look at this. Bro, I'm sorry. I have to go back. It's hard to concentrate on the singing and stuff when they're acting like absolute lunatics in the video. Look at Songjae's face. Oh my god. He's dying. Chong Sub's dying in the chair. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Hey. 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 Oh my gosh.
I always said you were my first love, but you probably go around saying hit your first love. My love for you is like your wedding bouquet thrown away, get asked to congratulate.
初めて見た泣き顔幸せの涙でよかったどんな宝石よりもすごく輝いてるよ会うたびに変わってく君を見るのが好きだったたまに少女になる君も好きだった
I don't know what it says, I'm sorry. I'm guessing it wasn't good. I'm guessing it was tough. Was that? I'm sorry, I have to go back. Was that Ilhoon laughing his way as he left? As he got up? I think he's such a savage. Girl's so savage. I think that's him with the hat, or is that Peniel? It might be Peniel with the hat. I think it is Peniel. I think so, yeah. Hey, he looks great with that hat.
I hope he does all the things I should have done for you when I was your man. Take you out to dine, hug your time, make sure that you smile bright like you always did from eye to eye. But if he doesn't, hey, just remember my heart's always open for you, my dear bride.
That's tough. Hey.
Since you're gonna go, you gotta promise me you're gonna live the rest of your life happily. It's true, I hated that guy standing next to me.
That is, it's awful. I'm sad now. I'm so sad.
I gotta let you be.
What she was handing out earlier was wedding invitations. Oh my god, that's sad. I can't. No. Oh my god, that picture. That's. Oh my god, that's the picture. That's terrible. Dear bride, yeah. Wow, that's the picture. Can you imagine that being the picture? Getting the picture and just seeing chunks of like, that's this son of a man. I can't believe it. Oh my god. Even something serious like this, they have to throw in like hilarity. Absolutely. Like this was ridiculous. Oh my god. Okay. That was, I mean, yeah, it was good. Very fun. Look at that. It looks like it looks like there's like they have their fingers in his mouth with that shot. Man, my guy had a rough time of it. Ah. It was like okay. I miss Ilhoon though, man. I definitely miss him in the group. It's like he does, like, he adds an element to it, right? He adds that cool factor to it. There's something about him. Whenever he performs, it's just like, man, he has an aura of cool to him. That's the thing, is that's unfortunate too, even with Kingdom, where it's like, I wish all the members were able to perform, but even, like, not just BTOB, there was other members, obviously, that weren't there for the other groups throughout the whole thing, and that's a shame. Like, can you imagine if we just had, like, the full 100% group, like, all 7 members of BTOB doing their thing, all the members of ATs, all the members of Stray Kids, you know? Obviously, Mingy and Hyunjin weren't there. all the members of Icon, like, I think... Yeah, I think SF9 and the Boys were the only groups where all members were there present, at least at one point or another, you know? Barring injuries and stuff like that. So, alright, here we are with You Can Cry, official MV, 10 years ago.
Christmas back again.
Ooh. Oh my gosh.
Christmas back again.
Okay.
추운 겨울에 굳이 흰 눈이 와야 했는지 많고 많은 계절 중에 왜 겨울인 건지 사랑하던 말투가 다들 죽이네 살리네 하다가들 그날만 되면 모두들 크리스마스밖에 원 어디가도 커플 나만 외로워 죽겠지 혼자 먹는 와플도 왜 이리 맛없는지 나만 혼자 메리 크리스마스 무너진 마음 Don't let it snow 그냥 지나가죠 크리스마스밖에 원 시도 때도 없이 너무 외로워 죽겠지 어디서 그렇게 갑자기
Christmas track. Add it to the list.
나만 혼자 외로운 크리스마스 무너진 마음 Don't let it snow 그냥 한 번만 딱 지나가죠
Stop.
내가 겨울을 싫어하는 이유 짜증날 정도로 추운 날 시거리에 기웃거리는 커플들 대화속 카드 붙은 기억 손끝을 시릴 틈 돌아오는 너의 기억 또 다시 겨울이 왔죠 올해도 그저 그런 겨울이겠죠
Okay, Minhyuk.
바보처럼 멍하니 추억을 바로 나 홀로 집에 뭐하니
홀로 듣는 캘들 내 몸에 퍼져 마시멜로
Ooh.
달달했던 스윗한 것들도 전부 다 별로
Oh my god, did they pop a balloon doing that?
스윗한 것들도 전부 다
Yeah.
별로
I love it.
나만 추억 달달달 떨어 이젠 좋아 랄랄라 거려 뭐가 그렇게 좋은
Oh no, not the static.
크리스마스밖에 원 어디 가도 커플 나만 외로워 죽겠지 혼자 먹는 와플도 왜 이리 맛없는지
That is that supposed to be a Frankenstein's monster mask? Or an Incredible Hulk mask? I'm not really sure. It looks awful. Like, I mean, just design-wise, it looks bad. I think it's supposed to be Frankenstein's monster.
나만 혼자 메리 크리스마스 무너진 마음 Don't let it snow 그냥 지나가죠 크리스마스밖에 원 시도 때도 없이 너무 외로워 죽겠지 어디서 그렇게 갑자기 다
Oh, it was a Hulk mask. I see the Iron Man next to it. So bad.
무너진 마음 Don't let it snow 그냥 한 번만 딱 지나가죠
Nah, Peniel with full hair. Not just full hair, but like long hair. Longer hair is still... No! Everyone was fine, and then Songjay came in. Well, okay, Minhyuk. And Peniel went evil too. What a bunch of goofballs, bro. Hey. Okay. Alright. Ah, man. This is Songjay. They're just like, man, like, BTOB, they're just so fun to watch. And that was something, too, that was really cool on Kingdom to see, is, like, whenever they showed up, like, everyone was so excited to see them perform, like, right? Like, all the groups and stuff like that were just so happy to be able to watch BTOB, who at that point, even at that point, you know, years ago, and this is like what Kingdom was like 4 years ago at this point. They were already like seasoned vets, you know what I mean? They already had nearly a decade under their belt, you know, even at that point. So, yeah, it's just, man, there's something about them. They really do have this presence. Like whenever you see them, it's just fun. It's crazy too. Like seeing them pull this stuff off and seeing how like silly they are. Like, oh yeah, you know, that makes sense. But then seeing them do stuff like "I'll Be Your Man" is wild. Like "I'll Be Your Man" and like "Missing You," "Beautiful Pain," right? Like these are songs that almost feel like a different group of guys, really. And I don't even mean that from a talent perspective. I mean that just from personality wise. It's like, oh my god, these are the goofballs. These are the crazy nuts. Oh man. Yeah, no, this is a fun Christmas song. We'll add this to the list. I've said this before, but like, don't get me wrong, I enjoy the classic Christmas songs, the Bing Crosbys, you know, the Frank Sinatras, all that stuff. But like, when that's all, like, especially, you know, in the places I've worked, they only play those over and over again every year, and they play them for like 4 months. Okay, you know what I mean? They start in like November and end in at the end of January. So it gets like there are tons of Christmas songs, right? Whether that's covers or originals, you can switch it up. That's all I'm saying. Switch it up. And apparently, for me, it seems like a lot of K-pop groups are going to be on the playlist this year, because holy moly. Okay. Next up, we have My Girl. Let's see.
Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Okay.
It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Let's go on a track, my girl. Let me take you now, just follow me and
Hey.
show you the whole world.
Oh no, you destroyed the sandcastle. Oh my god. Well, like they actually saw... What happened to Sanjay? Or not Sanjay, Cheng saw. He was like passing out. Hey. Hey. Okay. Oh my gosh. Ridiculous. Oh, sat on the dolphin. Is that Minhyuk? Hey. Oh my gosh. Who got a phone notification? Not them trying to start a fire. Okay, hold on. Not them. Okay. That whole scene was hilarious too. Obviously, they're pretending they're not really trying to attempt to start a fire. But like, if you're on the beach, I guess to cook stuff. But even then, it's like, why would you be trying to start a campfire on the beach when the sun's out? The only thing I could see is to cook stuff up. But, oh my god. Okay, so Changsub had his arm tattoo even back then, which was what, 6 years ago? Okay, 2019, 2018. Hey. Oh my gosh, so ridiculous. Was that? Okay. Ridiculous. Oh my god. They must have had so much fun on this one too. Hey. 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 Sanjay in full Machine mode. Holy. Whew. That's, yeah, just fun, man. It's a whole lot of fun. Alright, final one, beep beep. Okay.
Action.
Okay.
In the place to be. Action.
Oh my gosh.
어제 너와 헤어졌어. 실감이 정말 나질 않아.
Ooh, okay.
위로 따윈 필요 없잖아. Oh girl. 너를 정말 사랑했어.
Hey.
죽을 만큼 맡겨줬는데 그럼 네가 날 버렸어. My girl. 인사도 없이 흔들렸던 네만 말아. 두근댔던 시간 가고.
Okay.
마음 아파는 잠도 안 와. Oh 난 네가 미워. 먹고 자고 또 뒤척이다가.
Oh. Is that Uncle? Dang, Uncle looks crazy. Hey. Oh my god. Hey. Hey, okay. Ooh. Ooh, I love this like heavy beat with the piano mixed in. Hey. Hey. Okay. Oh, hey. Jeez. Hey. Ooh. Okay, Sanjay. Hey. Okay. Hey. Oh my. Not the little cars, bro. Hey. I like the fits, bro. The fits were pretty fire. Hey. Hey. Hey, okay. Oh my god, ridiculous. The fact. Okay, chunks of jeez. Hey. Woo. Okay, there's some good choreo. I mean, they do have good choreo regardless, but in this particular, there's some fun ones. Hey. Oh my gosh. I got him. Alright, that was fun. That actually might have been my favorite one of this batch. I like that one a lot. That was really fun. When did this one come out? 11 years ago. Wow, it did say 2014, didn't it? At the beginning of this. Or am I crazy? No, it did. Okay. Wow, alright. So yeah, that is it. I think this is all of the like regular MVs for them as a group. And so there's some, of course, some solo stuff I'm going to be doing album reactions to at some point, right? But what else do I want to check out? There's some solo stuff. I definitely want to check out Ilhoon's new album. That's going to be coming out sometime this week. I'm not exactly sure what day. And also the It's Live, like the full It's Live concert, I do want to, or performance, I do want to check that out too. I think they did it for B Today, so that'll be coming out too. But yeah, fun stuff. As always, can't wait to see more B2B. Thank you for watching this, and I will see you next time. Peace.